Hello friends, so today I will be covering how to read area tiles. We'll be doing 3 boxes and 1 extension problem. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So to read area tiles, we need to know that area is equal to length times width. And if we look at the very first problem, the very first box, we see that the area is 1 because we have a length of 1 and a width of 1. And when we multiply those two together, we get 1. Here we have a 1 and an x. 1 times x will just give us x. And here for this bigger guy, we have x and x as length and width. And when we multiply x, I'll just use a dot just to not cause any confusion. It's too many x's. We have x times x. That'll give us x squared. Here we are in example 2, where we're going to multiply using the area method, and we have x plus 2 times x plus 1. We're going to go ahead and represent the x with this rectangle here, and it says x plus 2, so we're going to go ahead and add 2 smaller squares, and then another parentheses we have x, so let's draw my interpretation of a rectangle there, and then the 1. And now we can go ahead and combine. Let me just draw on the x's real quick. And then we know that these guys all represent 1. Alright, so then here we would get a combination of the length and width of the x's, giving us x squared from this x and this x. And over here, we would get this x times this 1, which gives us x. Here we get x, and we have another x over here. And I think by this point you guys can figure out how I got that there. And then we have the 1 times 1 over here, which is 1, and then 1 times 1 over here, which is 1. So now that we've done all the calculation and the multiplying, we just need to combine like terms. So we have x squared, and then we have 3x's, so plus 3x, and then we have 2 1, so plus 2. And that is our answer. Okay, so now at this point, we're going to test if the student has become the master, and to see if he can steal the pebble from my hand, grasshopper. So now, with the binomial x plus 3 and x plus 2, go ahead and use a area method using the tiles, and let's see how you do. If you have successfully snatched the pebble from my hand, then your tiles should have looked something like this, and then when we combine them, we get x squared here, x, x. I'll just keep going down the row. X, oh sorry, these should have been rectangles, so just imagine the rectangles. We have a 1 here, another 1, x, another 1, another 1. I can't stop thinking of DJ Khaled now every time I say that. Alright, 1 and x, we got another x there. And I refuse to say another 1, so more 1s. And when we combine those, you should get x squared plus, I see 5 x's, plus, and I see 6 ones. So that should be your answer. So here we have the final boss, aka the extension. How can we use the algebra tiles to multiply these binomials? So here we have minus 2, which is new because we've only been dealing with addition. So ask yourself, what is different? Well, I just told you what is different. But how would it be different in how we approach it and using the algebra tiles? And how can you solve this problem? Best of luck. You got this.